Solana's been one of the best performing ecosystems in the entire crypto space for 2025, and currently its TVL is around $11.5 billion. In terms of meme coins, we've seen thousands of meme coins launch on Solana's blockchain, and Pump.Fund has just been exploding in value. On top of this, we've also seen that Bloomberg analysts are projecting that we're going to see a Solana ETF approved very soon in the US. And so because of this, I've been focusing a lot on Solana meme coins because this is where the money is in the crypto space right now. It's where projects are going from $0 to $100 million market caps very quickly, and it's where institutions are now starting to turn their focus over to. So recently I invested in a pre-sale project called Snorter token, symbol SNORT, Snort. And right now, one Snort token is equal to 0.1077. The thing is that this presale ends in just 4 days, and this is the last chance to get involved because they've already raised nearly $5 million. And the cool thing about this project is that it is a Solana meme crypto trading bot. And so with this project, they've been able to raise nearly $5 million in a very short period of time, and they are closing out their pre-sale entirely in less than 5 days. If we look at some of the details about this project, you can see it says Meet Snorter, their adventurous advark that blends meme coin fun with real crypto trading prowess. It's powered through Telegram. Snorter is the best crypto trading bot, helping you sniff out the rarest market opportunities. And if we look at it, what it ultimately does, Snorter token and their bot is a Telegram-based trading bot. And they allow for a few different things. They make on-chain trenching as easy as possible. They have the lowest fees on Solana, fastest execution on Solana, and exclusive access for new tokens, and front-running and MEV protection. This is something that's very important because if you're trading on Solana using bots, you need to be able to get in with low fees as fast as possible and beat out all the other bots. And that's exactly what Snorter token does. In addition to this, you can see how it says their features: fast, secure swaps, automated sniping, limit orders, copy trading, rug pull protection, and honeypot detection. All of these things are very, very important because, like I said, you need to be able to get in early, fast, safe, and secure when using trading bots. That's the most important thing for using trading bots on Solana's blockchain. You can see Snorter versus other projects out there, what the benefits of Snorter trading bot is versus others. For example, like nearly no one else has as low of fees as Snorter token and their bot. They have the lowest 0.85% fees versus all their competitors. You can see in terms of fast sniper, they are, beating all of their competitors except for, Sol trading bots. So if you're just looking at what they do versus their competitors, they beat them on nearly every single metric. The other cool thing that I really like about this project is that you can actively see what developments the team is doing, which no one else really shows you. So if we look at this, you can go about clicking on updates on the top of the screen, and you can see that they're constantly posting about what updates they are doing with development. So you can see update 1 was building your trading companion, and they just keep posting these updates over time as they've continuously, rolled out more and more updates. It gives you a dev update with a date. It gives you what exactly they did. And I like the transparency with the entire community that they're showing you exactly what they've done and what they're currently doing. This is something that you just don't see with any other project. You could go months without hearing from a project in terms of what they're doing with development, but Snorter token actively gives you these updates, which I think is really, really cool. In addition to this, we can see that in terms of their roadmap, if we click on roadmap, we can see that there's 4 main stages. Stage 1, which is development, the bot architecture design, smart contract, website optimization, and white paper release. Then into stage 2, the token pre-sale, community beta testing, bot launch on Solana, and that's where we are right now. Then to stage 3 is going to be make it multi-chain, the bot launch on EVM chains, Telegram features, blockchain expansion, and a lot more. And then stage 4, just continuing to expand out with more partnerships and expanding their ecosystem. So this is something that is very, very cool in my opinion. And you can see that ultimately Snorterbot is doing things different compared to other projects out there. It's not a meme token. It's really an entire Solana trading bot that's also capitalizing on, meme coins and the trend going on right now. Last thing I do want to go over is going to be with the tokenomics. So you can see that they have 25% for marketing development, 20% for marketing, 20% for exchange liquidity, 10% for community rewards, 10% for airdrops, 10% for treasury and 5% for staking rewards, with a total supply of 500 million tokens. The cool thing about this is that they are, having quite a bit of tokens that are allocated for the community and during this initial pre-sale, but they also are keeping supply for product development and, continuously rewarding the community with airdrops and rewards. And that's exactly what you like to see. So ultimately, Snorter token is a crypto trading bot that is automating a lot of different things for traders. They have fast execution. They have very safe features. They have rug pull protection, honeypot detection. They also allow for copy trading. And so this is just a platform that has been able to raise nearly $5 million in a very short period of time, and that is why I did invest in it. I'm excited to see what is going on with this project, especially with talks of a Solana ETF being approved, especially with more and more meme tokens and Solana's TVL continuing to increase. I think Snorter token could be a project that reaches $1 billion market cap as we continue to see, more traction and more attention come to this project. So it's definitely worth checking out. It's in its pre-sale, only 4 days left. So really, this is your last chance to get involved. So definitely check this out and let me know your thoughts.